Hello guys, how are you? I hope now you understood what is MongoDB and why we are using MongoDB, right? So now let's start with the process of installation it into your local server. Okay? So what you should do is open your web browser, just try to install MongoDB, go down. We need to install the community edition as it is free. So install MongoDB community edition. If you are having iOS, then install for the iOS. If you have Windows, just install for the Windows. So install using exe file, right? So I will just press here. I will just go down, press here. You need to select the current release, whichever release it is. This is the second part where the OS you need to select. So which OS we are having? We are having Windows OS, right? So I will select Windows 64. So everything will come automatically. Just press on download. Okay, it will take some time. So yeah, as my internet is fast, so it came instantly. Okay, so what I am going to do is I will download all these things onto my desktop. I will just create a folder and name it as MongoDB folder, and I will save this thing in here. It is a 264 MB file. Just open that file. Press next. Accept the terms and condition. If you want to read, you can read, but yeah, you can do next. I will do complete installation. So press on complete. Don't change anything here. Press on next. Press on next. Press install. So it will take some time to install. So let's wait. This setup will update the file. So I will just say yes. You need to reboot your system as MongoDB will change some of the setups of the file. So after installing this thing, you need to restart your system. Okay. So let it get installed. So just finish it and you should restart your system so that. So after doing the restart, what you need to do is you need to go to the C drive. So just go to the C drive of your system, go down and search for program files, which is here, and here you need to search for MongoDB. It must be installed. So M MongoDB. In that MongoDB server 4.2 is the version. Bin. Press on bin. Now you need to search for mongo.exe, which is present here, right? Click on mongo.exe. You will see this kind of window, right? Just go up. You will see here the port number which is being given for the Mongo. So it is a default port on which Mongo is working. What is the port number? 27017. Please remember this port number. What is the port number? 27017. As MySQL is working on which port number? 3306. Right. So this is the port number on which your MongoDB will work, 27017. To check that MongoDB has installed correctly, you can write a simple command, that is show dbs. What it will do is it will show all the database which is present. By default, 4 database will be present into your system. That is admin, config, local, and MongoDB. Okay, so that's it for this video. So in the next video, what you will understand is how to do the basic operation of CRUD, that is create, read, update, and delete onto your MongoDB, right? So kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification on latest tutorial, whatever I'm uploading.